Welcome to a collection of inspiring modern farmhouse living room ideas that combine timeless elegance with everyday comfort. If you've ever dreamed of creating a living room that feels warm, bright, and effortlessly luxurious, you're in the perfect place. Modern farmhouse design continues to dominate home decor trends because it blends rustic charm with clean contemporary lines, creating spaces that are inviting without feeling outdated. Throughout this video, we'll explore stunning interiors filled with natural textures, soft neutral palettes, cozy furniture, and carefully selected decorative accents. Whether you're planning a complete living room makeover or simply looking for fresh decorating inspiration, these ideas will help you transform your home into a relaxing sanctuary that feels both sophisticated and welcoming. Get ready to discover why modern farmhouse living rooms remain one of the most searched and beloved home decor styles on YouTube. Every beautiful modern farmhouse living room begins with a strong foundation. Neutral colors such as warm white, creamy beige, soft grayish, and light taupe create an open and airy atmosphere that instantly makes the room feel larger and brighter. Instead of overwhelming the space with bold colors, this style focuses on balance and simplicity, allowing natural light to become one of the room's most important design elements. Wooden ceiling beams, shiplap walls, stone fireplaces, and wide plank flooring introduce authentic farmhouse character while maintaining a modern appearance. These architectural details create depth and texture without making the room feel busy. The result is a timeless living room that feels fresh, elegant, and perfectly suited for both family gatherings and quiet evenings at home. Comfort is at the heart of every successful modern farmhouse living room. Oversized sofas covered in soft linen or performance fabric provide a welcoming place to relax, while plush accent chairs encourage conversation and comfort. Layering cozy throw blankets, oversized knit cushions, and textured pillows adds warmth and visual interest without cluttering the space. Coffee tables crafted from reclaimed wood or distressed oak introduce natural beauty while serving as practical gathering points. A large area rug in subtle neutral tones anchors the furniture arrangement, creating a harmonious flow throughout the room. Every furniture choice should combine beauty and function, allowing your living room to look professionally designed while remaining comfortable enough for everyday family life. Lighting has the power to completely transform the mood of a modern farmhouse living room. Large windows filled with natural daylight highlight every beautiful texture and make neutral colors appear even more inviting. As evening arrives, layered lighting creates a cozy and luxurious ambiance. Statement chandeliers featuring black metal or weathered wood become elegant focal points, while table lamps and wall sconces provide gentle illumination that enhances the room's warmth. Candles, lanterns, and soft LED lighting introduce subtle layers of comfort that make the living room feel peaceful and relaxing. Choosing warm white lighting instead of cool tones helps preserve the inviting farmhouse atmosphere while adding a refined touch that feels effortlessly upscale. One of the defining characteristics of modern farmhouse design is its beautiful use of natural materials. Wood, stone, cotton, linen, wicker, rattan, and ceramic all work together to create a space that feels authentic and full of character. Decorative baskets offer stylish storage while introducing additional texture. Handmade pottery, vintage-inspired vases, wooden trays, and woven wall decor provide subtle personality without overwhelming the minimalist aesthetic. Fresh greenery, olive branches, eucalyptus stems, or seasonal floral arrangements bring life into the room while strengthening the connection to nature. These carefully layered textures make the living room feel cozy, organic, and visually interesting from every angle. Luxury in modern farmhouse interiors doesn't rely on expensive decorations or extravagant furniture. Instead, true luxury comes from thoughtful design choices, quality materials, and careful attention to detail. A balanced furniture layout creates effortless flow, while uncluttered surfaces allow each decorative piece to stand out beautifully. Large framed artwork, oversized mirrors, elegant fireplaces, and custom shelving add visual sophistication without making the room feel crowded. Hidden storage solutions help maintain a clean and organized appearance that instantly elevates the overall design. This less is more philosophy creates an atmosphere that feels peaceful, refined, and surprisingly luxurious despite its simplicity. One of the greatest advantages of a modern farmhouse living room is its incredible flexibility throughout every season. During spring and summer, lightweight fabrics, fresh flowers, woven baskets, and soft green accents brighten the space with natural energy. In autumn, warm terracotta tones, dried foliage, pumpkins, and cozy plaid throws create an inviting seasonal transformation. Winter styling introduces chunky knit blankets, pine garlands, candlelight, and warm wooden accents that make the room feel especially comforting during colder months. Because the base color palette remains timeless and neutral, updating seasonal decorations becomes easy and affordable without requiring a complete redesign each year. The most memorable modern farmhouse living rooms are defined by thoughtful details that add warmth and personality. Family photographs displayed in black or natural wood frames create meaningful focal points while maintaining a cohesive design. Vintage books, handcrafted ceramics, decorative wooden beads, antique clocks, and woven storage baskets introduce subtle farmhouse charm without appearing overly rustic. Layering different textures instead of excessive colors creates depth and visual richness. Maintaining symmetry around fireplaces, shelving, or entertainment centers also contributes to a calm and balanced appearance. These finishing touches help create a living room that feels professionally styled while still reflecting the unique personality of the homeowner. Modern farmhouse living room design continues to inspire homeowners because it offers the perfect balance between comfort, elegance, and timeless beauty. By combining soft neutral colors, natural materials, cozy furniture, layered lighting, and carefully selected decorative accents, you can create a living room that feels warm, bright, and luxurious every single day. Whether your home is large or small, these design principles can be adapted to fit your personal style while maintaining the inviting charm that defines modern farmhouse interiors. We hope these decorating ideas have inspired your next home makeover and given you practical inspiration for creating a space you'll truly love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more beautiful home decor inspiration, modern interior design ideas, and the latest living room decorating trends.